Alright, welcome to the second part of the video. We are still on how to design an e-commerce website. So we have done the first part. We have set up our team and all of those things we have done. You can see these are the things we were able to do in the first part. We install our WordPress, install the demo, create categories, create menu, and now we want to set up our WooCommerce. Okay, so like I said, if you want to do that, come to your WooCommerce, just click on it, don't select anything, just click on it, WooCommerce here, and it will take you to a place like this, okay, where you will need to fill all this information. The first thing is you come here, put your country. I'm designing it from Nigeria. Just put Nigeria there. Nigeria, which of the states in Nigeria? Say those states. Then you put your address. Say 166 Uselu, Lagos. Alright, so Lagos Road, Benin City. Alright, city, Benin City. Okay, Benin City. Then you click on what? Continue. Click on continue. No thanks. Just click on no thanks. Then alright, just select any of those things. Can select or 2 or 3. So just move ahead. And then the product type is a physical product. Okay, then you click on continue. Physical product already selected. Business. Alright, do you have any? I don't have any product yet. You can do that. Current selling somewhere else? No. If you are setting up for a client, you tick that. Okay, just click on continue. Don't add. Untick this part. Don't add any recommended features. Don't add, just untick it and click on continue. Okay, then to ask you, this is the theme we are using, so you can see it will suggest other theme for you, but don't need to do that. Just stick to what you are using. Then continue with my active theme. All right, continue with my active theme. Okay, all right, so you can see, like I told you in the first part, you can see the SSL has been activated. You can see the not secure is no longer there. So that is how it works. You don't need to crack your head on that. Okay, then once you have done the first part, now come over to this place and click on settings. Click on settings. Click on settings. All right, so you can see the information we feed earlier on. You can see this is the information, the address. If you want to change it, you can change anything you want to change it. You can add your postal code. All right, you can see selling location. Are you selling to all countries? You can see you can set it up. You can set to all countries, set to all countries except some. You remove some parts. You can set to a specific country. Let's say for instance, I can say I set to only Nigeria. All right, Nigeria. You can put it there. I say Ghana. You can see there. You can see, so you just select on this, then you ship to all countries you set to. You can leave this one, just ship to the country you set to. All right, enable this, enable coupon, enable tax. If you want to set up tax, you set up tax, but then I don't need to set up tax, so I just put this. You can see the currency in naira, so you can change it if you want to change. There are other currencies too. You can see there are thousands of currencies, so you can just put the one you want. So but I'll be sticking to what? Nigeria, that's naira. Then currency position left, that means you put your naira symbol before the amount. That is what you mean by left. It can be right. Right means after the amount you put the symbol, but always good that you have your symbol before the amount. Then thousand separator, that means it's comma. Then decimal separator, full stop, then to decimal place. Okay, then you just save changes. You can see that. So the next is product. This is product. You can see there's nothing to do here. Just make sure your shop page is shop. This is the only thing. Just make sure once you're able to confirm this, leave every other thing and you move to shipping. Okay, come to shipping. You can see shipping everywhere. Right, you can add your shipping. Okay, just add the shipping, which you can just say Nigeria. Okay, what the shipping, you can give your shipping a name. Okay, you can just give your shipping a name, let's say for instance I want to add shipping. I want to add a shipping, so I can just put let's say I can just say south, or I can just say south. Let me use that word, south zone. Okay, then I will select states that are in the south. Okay, there's it. You can see to just give me select state that are in the south. I have Edo State. I have where is it? Akwa Ibom. I have Port Rivers. I have Rivers. I have Delta. Delta. Where are you? Delta. Where are you? You can see Delta. So Calabar or whatever. So you just add up the states you want to add up there. Then you now add your shipping method. Let me quickly explain these three parts. When you talk of flat rate means having a specific amount. For instance, let me quickly just type something. If you want to have a flat rate, now let's say I'm saying okay, any state in the south, I'll say shipping fee is what, let's say 2,000. It means that for anybody that purchased from Edo State, Delta State, Port Harcourt, whatever, the shipping fee will be added automatically to be 2,000. Like if I say not as if it's not 5,000, it means that for anybody that comes from the north to purchase, automatically it will be added 5,000. That's what means by what flat rate. That is for flat rate. Okay. Then if you come to free shipping means you are the one bearing the cost of shipping and delivery. Nobody's paying for that. All right. While the last one is local pickup. Local pickup means having a designated location where your customer can come and pick their product. For instance, you can use a transportation park like God is good. You know that they have their park in some state of the state. You can see that for any customer that buys from you, just go to God is good, or go to this, or go to America, or go to Muyiland and pick your product from any of these companies. Right? That is having a local pickup. Okay, so that is that. Irrespective, so I'll just pick, I'll just do flash free shipping. Okay, let me show you that flat rate. So if you choose flat rate, you click on add this now, then you now come to edit. Taxable, no, you are not adding tax. Then you now put the amount. Okay, just let me say 2,000. I'll click on what, save. Okay, that is how it works. You don't need to do anything. So you can create for other ones using the same process I just showed you. The next is payment. The next is payment. Okay, these are the default one that came with it. You can see direct bank transfer, check, and cash on delivery. You can add other one to it. You can see the pay stack is there. You can use the paper. All right. So if you are using paystack, right, if you're using paystack, you need to create your own paystack account. All right. So once you create your paystack account, you go to paystack. All right. Go to, let me see if I can sign up to my paystack account now. Let me see paystack. Let me see if I can quickly sign up and show you that. Okay, let me log in. I think I'll just log in. Okay, good. Log into my paystack. Okay. All right. So once you come to your paystack account, you come to settings. Where is it? Where is it? Settings. Okay, good. Come to settings. Sorry. You come to settings. All right. Come to settings. So you click on it. While that one is coming up, then you come to your APIs and webhooks. Hooks. You can see it here. APIs and webhook. Click on it. Once you click on it, hold on there. Then come to your site. Then click on get started on this. Is it working there? Okay, you can see it has been installed. So what you need to do now is you can see the test key or secret key. So what I will just do for my paystack account, you can see the live key. So this particular place is showing test key because this is enabled. Sometimes if you are creating your own new, if you have not verified, for you to verify your account on paystack, just provide them your nepa bills and any means of identification, and you'll be created. Once it goes live, you can see my own is live. This is my live key and this is my public key. You can see it now. So I won't be using that for this. I'm just showing you how to connect that. So what you just need to do, if it's test mode, all right, if it's test mode, just put the key. But since is my own is live now, you can see I'll just untick this place. You can see the moment you untick it, you can see live and live secret key and public secret key. So what you don't need to do is just come here, click on this, copy this key. All right, my own is live now, I can't do that. Copy those two keys, come here, put it here. You can see the live secret key, live secret key. You can see live secret key. Just copy this, put it here. Then public key, copy it and put there. So that is how you connect it. Right, that's how you connect your paystack to this thing. So once you select that, then you select one payment gateway. Then the other thing there is what, pop up. Where is it? I think, okay, select pop up, not redirect. Pop up means it will just show on the same page, while redirect will take it to a different page. Okay, that is how it works. So once you are done with that, you just scroll down and save changes. Okay, so let me go back to the payments. Leave, yeah, leave. So for that now you can see it. If you enable it, you finish up. So for the direct bank transfer, you can see it here. Come over to this and click on direct bank transfer. Just finish on, click on setup. You can see the message, direct bank transfer, direct bank transfer. Make your payment directly to our bank. This. So if you do that, you can also leave a message for them here, instruction. After they have made payment, you can tell them to send a screenshot, send a proof of payment. Sorry, send a proof of payment to the WhatsApp number. Just put a number there, just put some number there. So you can see that, just put your WhatsApp number. The instruction will be shown to them. Once they make payments, they will be received that. So then you now come here and put your account number, your account name, account number and bank name. You can leave these three parts, it's not really needed. So these are the things you need to put. Just put it so you can have two payment gateway, the direct bank transfer, that's the manual payment, and the online payment. So you just have it there. So once you are done with that, you click on save changes. Right, click on save changes. If you also wanted to pay to your Bitcoin wallet address, you can put your Bitcoin wallet address here, or any of those cryptocurrency wallets. You can put it there. Just put it there. They will automatically just put a bracket and put the wallet inside. Give them the instruction that please pay to this wallet address. They can pay to that and have their goods delivered. Right, save changes. Once you are done with that, let's proceed. Then you come to account and privacy. You don't need to really do much here. Just read through whatever thing you want to do. You can see there, just read through it. Okay, so just read through. Allow customer to place order. You can just read through and have it done, because different persons with different this thing. In as much as you can just go through it and have that one set up. Then you come to emails. Right, you come to emails. You can see the emails are what your customer will get. You can also edit it. You can also edit this. Just click on manage and you will see the emails there. You can click on manage. Let me show you one. Click on manage. You can see you can change this email address to the one you want. Right, this is it. This is this. So you are not changing anything. So you can see this is the content. Congratulations on your sale. Congratulations on your sale. This is what the person will get. Okay, so once you are done with that, also save. Also save. Okay, so you have this other one. I don't really have much thing to do there. Okay, then on this email, let me show you something here. On this email, these three emails are for the admin. Then come to customer. Let me show you something on the customer. Once you are doing that, also make sure that you check the email. You can add some contents to the email. All right, add some content to it and save whenever you are done. Okay, with that we have finished setting up our WooCommerce. We have finished setting up our WooCommerce. So what we need to do is to upload products. Let's upload product and customize. Okay, upload product and customize. Let's see how our website is again. You can see this. You can see all of this. Okay, so let's add product and customize. So for us to add products, there are two ways you add products, either manually or you import product directly. Okay, so let me show you this two process. For you to import to add product now, come to plugin. There's a particular plugin that helps to import products directly. So okay, you just come to where is the plugin, come to plugin, click on add new. Okay, click on add new. All right, then search for a lead drop. Okay, come to a lead drop. Okay, you can see it, a lead drop. This is the plugin ALD. So just this particular plugin, you see drop shipping and fulfillment for AliExpress. Click on it, install. All right, once you install, you activate. Okay, install and activate. All right, so now we need to set up. You can see what it's saying. This is the site URL and all of those things. First and foremost, you need to install the extension. It's coming up now. Good. All right, it's coming up. All right, you can see this is the plugin WooCommerce Ali dropshipping extension. You click on add. All right, click on add extension. Yes, add extension. So you can see that with this plugin, it's easy for you to import products without stressing yourself. All right, without stressing yourself. Okay, you can see it now. Let me just add it up there. You can see that. Then it's already installed. So the next thing is what? To connect. Click on connect and you click on next. Okay, click on connect network. Okay, right, you can see it now. So the same thing, then you click on next. Okay, so we're going to install this once. Okay, just click on install and return to dashboard. Click on this, install and return to dashboard. Install and return to dashboard. Let's wait for it to install all these plugins, and then once it's done, to return back to dashboard. Okay, good, you can see. All right, so then now click on connect. You can see approve. Okay, good, our extension is working. Okay, now since we have connected, right, then let's go to AliExpress now. Go to aliexpress.com. Okay, come to aliexpress.com. Let me close all this. Okay, come to aliexpress.com. Then we'll come to main watch. Let me just start with that main watch. This, close it. Okay, main watch, search. Alright, search for main watch. You can see them. It's connected, so you can see these are good mail wash. Click on add import. You can see it's importing. Right, you can see it's added. You can see good wristwatch. Just add them up, add them up. All right, add them up. You can see that, add them up. All right, so you can see wristwatch. Okay, add them up. Okay, good. I think I'm done with that. Then let me now come to women wristwatch. Women watch. Okay, come to women watch. Alright, so you can see I also do the same thing, add them up, add them, add them, add them. That's okay. So I'm done with the women. Let me add kids. I see kids watch. I can see kids watch. Right, kids watch. You can see them. Right, you can see. Just let me also add 5. 1. Just add them up. 2, 3. You can see. Right, so good. Then let me come to unisex. Let me come to unisex watch. Come to unisex watch. You can see some unisex watch. I'll add this up, and add this, and also add this. Okay, and also add this. All right, so then I'll come to pair watch. Pair watches for couple. You can see there, add it there. I see pair watches for couple. You can see them. You can see them. So I'll add this. I'll add this. Just do this one sharply. Okay, then I'll add this. Good. Okay, then the last one I'll have our what? Accessories. Let me say, okay, let me just do bracelets. So search for it. You can see, let me do 2 for, okay, let me add this. Just add 2 for women, 2 for men. It's 1. Okay, good. I have that. So all of these products have been imported. Okay, all of them have been imported. Now let's go to our site. Okay, so let me refresh this dashboard. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so you can see your dropship and fulfillment. Then now come to import list. Click on it. Click on import list. Right, so you can see all the products that we have imported. You can see all of them. With this now, it's easy for you to move to your store. So just watch me as I do this. Okay, so this is it. First and foremost, I need to edit the name. You can see the name. I just remove this. I want it short. Categories, just leave it as accessories. I just leave it only accessories. For accessories, fine. Then I come to description. I see the description. You can see description and everything. So I would like to reduce it. So just delete it off. Delete. delete. Alright, I don't want all of this much there, this thing. So okay, so alright, so I'm done with that. Then next is for me to attribute. Okay, leave that. Variation, I don't need any other variation. I only need one. I don't need much variation. Don't need one, so I'll just pick only one. Right, then this is the price. You can see the price. I can just remove this and say 5,000. Okay, instead of that 5,000 I can say 35. Alright, so I'm only doing that one. Then the pictures, you can see the pictures. Okay, how many pictures do they have? Alright, so I think I'm done with those necessary things. So you can see, let me check the name again. Okay, accessories, description, attribute, variation. I'm only using one. Okay, then I'll click on what import now. That is done. The same thing I will do on this now. Okay, you can see it. Remove this. Also accessory. Okay, then I'll come to description. You can see the description. I don't want all this many this. Okay, okay, I also remove this. Alright, so I'll just do this. Okay, okay. Alright, so I think alright, so let me also remove this. Okay, good. Alright, so I have that. Next is for me to do the attributes. Okay, attributes. Okay, description. I'll just do one. Just do one. I think I'll just do this. Remove this and I'll put 4,000. Alright, so okay, okay. Then I'll click on what import now. Okay, come to this. Also do the same thing. Okay, I remove this. Alright, accessories. So that is how you can see with this now. I can easily import. I can easily import products without stressing myself. I can import products. So come to description. You can see the description. So I'll just remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this. Right, remove this. Okay, I also remove this, remove this. Everything that is not really worth it there I can remove. So now I've done that. Then I'll come to, you can see the attributes there. Variation, I don't need much variation. I can just put one. Okay, just put, I think I like this, put it there. Just put it there, 7.5. Okay, just put 5,000. So one thing with regular price and sales price is that it's just like you are selling on a discount. That is what it means. For instance, maybe for instance, I'm running a promo I say okay, particular product is selling 10,000, but if you are buying this period, I will sell for you at the rate of 5,000. That is what it means. If I by putting this price, these two price now, it will cancel this and leave this. So that is what it means. Okay, so I'll check the image. These are the images, I think. So all right, okay, so all right, so think. All right, so this is okay, so I think this is good. All right, so now I will click on what import, that is important. So I'll come to this one now. Okay, so still click on, I've done that, so let me see this. Okay, so let's change visualize for women. I think I'm okay with that name. For women, I'm okay with that name. So the reason for that, I don't want the name to be too long. Okay, that is the essence of doing that. I don't want the name to be too long, because if it's too long, the beauty will be cancelled. You can see all of this. So with that plugin now, you can see that I've import everything I need to import. So mine is just to edit and edit. Okay, right, all right, so edit them. You can see that. So it's easy with this plugin. I can import as many as possible. Let me just, all these pictures, think they are much. Okay, all right, let me just control Z1. Let me just leave one, then I think I'll leave this. Okay, right, good, I'm done with that. Next is for variation. Okay, variation, I'll just do one. Variation, I will just do one. All right, so you can see all of these informations. I just do one. I will remove this. I'll put 6,000 as 6,000. Not doing any. Okay, so only how many images selected? 6 is okay. All right, so I'll click on import. Also this, let me check this product. Okay, good, let me quickly do that. So the same process I'm following is how I'm going to import all those videos. So for this video to be too long, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll pause the video and quickly import all the product I need to import, then we'll continue. Right, so I've successfully imported all the videos, all the images. Okay, I've brought all the images. So if you check our site now, you can see all the pictures of the product. You can go to accessories. If you go to accessories now, you see, okay, you can see these are the images for the accessories. Okay, these are the images for the accessories. So okay, I didn't remove all of this, so let me quickly go and remove the demo product. So you go to products, you come to products, then you come to all products. Yeah, we'll have done that before importing, but that notwithstanding, so I need to remove all those demo products. You can see these are demo products. You can see them. And just see them. Let me just click on them and remove them. Okay, so just come here, bulk action, move to trash, apply. Okay, so we still have them, so we still repeat the same process. You can see them. All right, I need to remove all those them. So like, it's advisable if you are doing your own, quickly remove all of this before you bring in new products. Quickly remove all of this and before you bring in products. So we still have them. You can see them. I will have just done this once and for all before importing products, but since we are already here, that notwithstanding, we can still move ahead. Right, we can still move ahead. Okay, I have only one left here. Okay, good. Like, good. Okay, yeah. So if I come here and I refresh this, I think I will no longer have all of this. Okay, you can see. Now, since we are done with this, let's quickly edit the home. Let me click on this now so that I can go back to the home. Okay, this is the home. Let me remove all of this, then we'll edit the header and the footer. That's all. Alright, click on edit. Just click on edit with Elementor so you can do the finishing touch. So you can see that with this particular plugin, you can import products and edit it. Okay, so now I'm here. Just come over and remove this. Okay, I want to remove this one now. Just, you can see, I'll just click on this. Now click on this. I'm done. Okay, I'm done. This is a header. You can do that one. You can see all of this. If you want to edit them, you can also edit them. Okay, but I'm not touching any of those things. I'll just save. You can see I'm done with that. All right, so let me edit something here. What's this? Okay, recent. Let me do this. No, I don't want recent. I only want on sale products. Let me categorize them only on sale products. New arrival feature. Instead of on sale, no, I want. Oh, okay. Let me change this new arrival. Okay, new arrival. No, I don't. Okay, new arrival should be recent products. Okay, then feature. Let me see. Okay, feature should be feature products. Feature products. Good. Then scroll down at the last one, which is on sale, should be on sale products. Good. I see everything is arranged. Then I will save. Okay, everything is arranged. I'll save. All right, so you can see the moment I click on this, click on sale, I will always be seen on sale products. If I click on this, no feature products. Okay, let me just work on this feature products. Let me go to this feature products. Let me go to best selling. On the feature, let me go to best selling. So I'll just update that. Okay, so the more you add products, this is just for this training. The more products you have, the more products you upload, the more products that will be displayed on your site. Okay, so that is that. So if you want to edit, you can see to edit is not difficult on Elementor. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear on your left hand side. You can see the image. So if you want to replace this, you can see upload a new image. You just upload. Right, so it's very easy to edit with Elementor. Very easy. So any of the things you want to add, if for instance you want to create a new listing, click on this plus sign. You can see it here. Click on the plus sign, then you click on this, select anything you want. This is 1 colon, 2 colon, 3 colon, like that. So that is how it works. Right, that is how it works. You can see with this now we are done with having our full-fledged website. So what we need to do, having removed all of this, is for me to edit the footer and also edit the header. Then we just give it a finishing touch. So with that, we are done with having an e-commerce website. You can see e-commerce website is easy to build, very easy to build. Okay, so now I've saved that. Let me go to, so on this particular plugin, to edit the footer, come to appearance, then come to Elementor, header and footer. Click on it. So once you click on it, you can see there are different footer. So click on this. Let me view. Okay, hold on. Let me view so as to be sure of the one we are working with. You can see this. No, this is not the one we are working with. Oh shit! Why do I have to close it? Okay. Light 1, light 3. Let me see this light 3. I think. No, this is not the one we are working with. You can see there are different ones. So I need to be sure. So let me see this. Okay, wait. Let me just quickly be very sure of that. Come to theme option. I'll come to theme option. Let me open theme option in new tab. I will see the, so come to header and footer. Then come to footer. So this is the layout. HFE light 2. That's the one we are working with. Good. If you come over, you can see it now. Light 2. Light 2. Let me see the light 2. Let me close this. Light 2. This is, okay, just light 2. Okay, just light 2. This is it. Perfect. I've gotten it. This is it. This is the one we are working with. Just light 2. So just, if I open it now, you will see it. Okay, this is what we are working with. Let me check our site. You can see this is the one we are working with. Logo, all of this. This is what we are working with. Okay. Light 2, yes. So this is the one we are working with. Light 2, light 2, with light 2, this, light 2, this. No. So click on edit with Elementor so we can edit it. Click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so you can see it's very easy. Very easy. Right, it's very easy. You can see all of this. You can see this is it. Click on it. So you can see the information inside. Right, you can see the email. So you need to take your time so as not to mess everything up here. You can see it. The first one is address. You can see the address. You can see this. Okay, you can see this. You can also see this. So you need to take your time. Look, just watch the way I will edit this first one now. Okay, you can see the, alright, so you have your .com, so you have the email, you can see the phone number, then you can see the address. Good. So you just see, you can see it. So just look at what I will do now. Just type, say 166 Uselu, Lagos Road. You can see it. Lagos Road. Right, that is that. Then the next is the phone number. You can see the phone number there too. Just don't rush it, just do it gradually. You can see it now. I can just put +2348112345678. You can see that. You can see that phone number. Then you can see the email. Okay, you can see the email. Okay, you can see the way I'm editing it. I just put business at ecommerce.com. You can see it. Okay. Also, okay, yes. Also copy it. Then come to the right up the email. You can see it there. You can see the way I'm doing it. Then just paste it, Ctrl V. You can see we have changed that one. Then you also come down to the domain. You can see the domain. You can just come here. You can see it now. Just inside the brackets, just paste it. I want to remove the at business. You can see it there. You can just remove this. You can see the domain is set. Alright, so that is how you edit the first one. Then you come to the second one again. You can see it there. Alright, all the informations are there. You can see them. You can see all of them. You need to edit them. This is which of them are you using. If you want to use your main menu, you can see your main menu to display. You can see them here. Alright, then you come to this part. If you don't want any of them, you can just delete them off. If you don't want any of them, like for instance, if I don't want this, I can delete. You can just come down and delete it. It's gone. The same thing, if you don't want this one, you can delete. Alright, so that is how you edit that. Then coming to this one too, you can also see it. Click on it, you can see it 2023. Alright, reserved. You can see it already taken. This one too, you can also do the same thing. Alright, so it's not difficult at all. You can see the menus, footer menu. That is why you can see all of these things there. So all you need to do is to create the menu the same way you saw me create the other one. You create your menu. Once you create your menu, you just come here and select it. Sometimes what makes this thing difficult is because we are trying to have our own way. If you are not an expert, you don't need to try and do this thing. Just follow the same thing you have there. That's why we call it drag and drop. Edit it gradually, and everything will take effect. Okay, since I'm done with this now, I can just save. Okay, I can just save. The moment I save and I come to my site, okay, I come to my site, copy it. Okay, no, sorry, copy it, and I come here, paste it. Let me see what I've done so far. Okay, enter. You can see what you have done. You can see it. So it's that easy. It's easy to implement. So now it's for me to change this. Let me go back there. So if I come here and I need to remove this part that has to do with this logo. Where is it? So I can see it here. Where is it? Okay, so you can see this logo. I don't want it there. I can just delete it off. You can see I don't want the logo. I can delete. Then I'll save. It's easy. Anything at all. Alright. If you want to delete something, just right click on it and you scroll down, you see delete, and you delete it. Alright, so now that I'm done with that, so let me go and edit the header. Okay, you can see these are different footer. They are different footer. Now to edit the header, you also go back, come to theme option. Yes, come to theme option. Come to theme option. You can see these are different header layouts. You can see different header layouts. These are different header layouts. Right, so if I want this, I click on it. Anyone you want, you just select. Okay, if you want to build your own, you come here and build your own. Right, but like I told you, sometimes if you are not an expert, you don't need to try and become an expert doing this thing overnight. Nobody become an expert overnight. So you just follow through, learn the system first before you try to change anything. Okay, so since you are already here now, I need to change the logo. Click on it, you see the logo. These are the logo. Click on upload. Let me go and look for a logo and put there. Come here. If I come to my desktop, I have a place I store logo. Good. I see different kind of logo. I'll just this. Okay, I'll pick this now. You can see, right? This is a logo. Right, this is a logo. Just use this. I'm using this one as an example, so you can create your logo. Okay, just use this. Okay, I also come here to upload the same logo. Upload the same logo. You can see it. I'll upload. So I'll save. Okay, you can see I've updated the logo. Okay, so this, if you want to add for the mobile, you can see, select for the mobile, add the same thing on the mobile. You can see it there. Okay, so all of these things are very easy for you to implement. You can see. Okay, if I come to my site now, where is it? If I come here now, reload this. If I reload this, where is it? Okay, I have no, where is it? Let's save changes. Alright, so okay, so the moment you do that, you save. The moment you do that, you save. So that is done. You can see the favicon. Favicon are this small image. If you look at this thing and you see a small image, those are what we call favicon. Okay, so come over to this thing. I'm done with that now. The next thing is come to header. You can see, like I told you, this is the header. Which of them are, this is the one we are using. Alright, this is the one we are using. So with this now, you don't need to stress yourself on many things. You can see the header. If you want to change the header color, this is the top background. This is the header color, header background color. You can change it. I want to put it as red. Now let me just see. Now save. Okay, so let me see my sites. Let me see my sites. Good. Perfect. You can see this is the logo which I uploaded. This is the background I changed to. So it's easy, very easy. So I don't want, let me remove the color. Let me remove the color. Told you it's very easy. Okay, this is the footer. Right, everything you see here is very easy to implement. Okay, very easy. So you check them one after the other. You can see the color, the font, the background, the product. This, you can see how it's displayed. So which of them will you want? So you just check archive. All right, so all of these things I told you, they are very easy to implement. Just follow them one after the other. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. This thing has been done for you, so just take your time and follow the same process. You can see with what we have done so far, we have been able to have our own full website. Okay, but then there's a little touch we just need to do. Okay, if you look at it now, you can see the logo is up and running. Everything is working fine. All of these things account and everything is working perfectly fine. You can see it now. This is the footer and all of these things. So now a quick one, I need to show you how to remove this or fix this. Then, and also if you take your mouse, you'll be seeing what's called my blog, my WordPress blog. We don't want this my blog, my WordPress blog. So just come over to this side. Let me take this into customize first. Okay, that is customized. So let's remove this my blog, my WordPress blog. There are two ways you can do that. Come to site identity. You can see it in my blog, my WordPress blog. I just put it there. Ecom store. Ecom store. You can see it there. Then you can change this one to your number one online store. So this is online, right? Online store. You can see it now. So that is, I'll just save. Okay, so we have fixed that. That is the home page settings. Okay, this is the home page. Right, the widgets. Okay, what else is there? What else is there? What else is there? So let me see. Okay, all right, you can see the vertical whatever. I can decide to remove all. This is the vertical, this part that is showing. You can see the fashion digital. For this is it. I don't want this one to be there. I can say, okay, I want my menu. Can remove. Just remove them. I remove them. I want to remove all of them. Okay, you can see it there. Vertical menu. That is what it's called, vertical menu. So I can remove all of these things, then I'll fix my menu to be there. Okay, so with all this now, you can see that having your e-commerce is very easy. Having your e-commerce is very easy. Right, I can say, okay, I want to add item. I can say which of the item. I can say product categories. Product categories, you can see all the product category. I just add them, add. Good. Then I'll save. So if I take my, you can see it now. I can decide to even remove this one from here and leave it here. I decide to remove all of these ones I have here and leave it here. Okay, so you can see with this now we have been able to design our full-fledged e-commerce website. Now the last part, how to create a coupon, so that we can finish up. How to create a coupon. Okay, how to create a coupon. Then once you are able to do that, then we'll not test it. To create a coupon, go to your, to create a coupon, you can see, come to your WooCommerce and click on coupon. This is a coupon. Coupon is, they are used to run a discount. For instance, I'm running a promo. I say, okay, 50% discount, whatever. So that is how coupon works. You can see it now. Click on add a new coupon. Click on add coupon. I can say, you can decide to give your coupon a code. I can say black 2020. That is my coupon code. Right, percentage, I will just, okay, 50% discount. I can say 50%. So for anybody that buys from me, then I will say, okay, starting from this thing, or let me just say starting from today being first. So for anybody that buys from me, they will enjoy 50% discount. That is what it means. So they will enjoy 50% discount. Okay, so you have usage restriction, minimum, maximum spend. That's minimum spend, how much the person must have spent before they can enjoy it. But if you don't want to set it up, you can just leave it. You can see it here. If you allow you to set minimum spend, maximum spend, but if you don't want to do that, you just leave it. Usage limit, have it. You can set it to the number of times they can use it. I can tell you, say, okay, 100. You can see usage limit, how many times this coupon can be used before it's void. I can set it to be 100. So once I'm done with that, I will click on publish. You can see it's easy to create a coupon. You can give your coupon description if you want to give a description. So we have been able to implement everything we have said earlier. So Now our website is up and running. So let's try this coupon, Black 2020. Let's copy it. Now let me come to this place now. So you can see we no longer have my prospect blog. So now let's place an order. Let me say okay for this particular wristwatch. You can see the wristwatch now. You can see it, right? You can see it. Okay, now let me go and place order. I see this thing now. Let me place order. I'll click on add to cart or buy now. Add to cart or buy now. Say please select some option. So the option I will selecting. Select some product option before adding. Or the product option I will selecting. Product option. Select. Okay, no product with cards. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, good. Okay, good. Let me buy now. Okay, sorry for that. You can see. So now let me fill this information I want to fill. The price is $22. Or let me go back and add more. Let me click on continue shopping. Okay, let me just fill it. Let me just fill this thing at Gmail. Let me just fill this and test run it. Okay, address. I say Oselu. Oh, sorry. I say James Adams. Okay, James Adams. Okay, Nigeria, house number. Just say 166 Oselu city, any city. Phone number, just put it. Right, so I've done all of this now. It's okay. You can see I have a coupon. Apply it. I'll paste my coupon code. I'll apply. Okay. Oh, sorry. The coupon expiration date. Sorry, I didn't fix it very well. You can see the coupon expiration date. So let me extend it and update. So now it has been updated. Let me apply it again. Apply the coupon. You can see it has reduced it from 22,500 to 11,250. That is how the coupon works. You can see instead of pay 22,500, you now pay 11,250 with free shipping. So you can see coupon works on this, right? You can see now. So from there you can continue your continue to payment. So you can see all of this information. Make your payment to this and just place your order. So you can see that everything we have done so far is working perfectly. Okay, so with this now we have been able to come to an end of this video. Our website design on how to do a website design on e-commerce. Okay, this is a full-fledged e-commerce website design with a coupon code and all of the functionalities, with payment integrated. And so we having done all this, the video is this training, we have done the necessary things on this video. Okay, so this is an end to this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. All right, thank you so much. All right, so thank you for staying to the end of this video. Like I said, all the information, they are well explained enough. If in case you have questions, please do well to reach out to us. All right, and if you are watching it for the first time, like I said, take your time, watch and implement. First of all, watch it from the beginning to the end, then you now start implementing. That is how you get everything that is there. All right, thank you and stay blessed.